Hello guys, and welcome back to another OSO tutorial. In this video I will show you how to warm up in OSO before going into the hard modes or the hardcore musics. For example, for myself, I have achieved this 4-star mode, and yet I didn't achieve some of these 5 stars. I think I finished some of these 5 stars, but not all of them. How am I like my routine on playing these 4 stars? Of course, I'm not like randomly going inside these 4 stars, like waking up and go for this ultimate speed. Like I can do it, but it's really hard for me. First of all, I have to go slow step by step. Of course, I'm not doing the first star, I'm not doing it, but let's try to go for the second star and play the same map, like getting used to the same music again and again on the slow motion mode. And then after you finish this easiest version, I mean, of this music, you can then go to the next level and again go to the other level, and after completing each one you go to the next one. But if you didn't, like for example, if you find yourself having troubles with completing some level, then I suggest that you just go ahead and what do we call it, and change the music and start all the way around. You can, like for example, if you like, for example, I trained this one, I trained this one, I warm up in it, and then I went for the C, and I played the same map on this on the 3 stars map, and I won it. But on the 4 stars I couldn't win this map. Of course, you are not supposed to go all the way around to the second stars and choose another beat map. No, just go for it. You already trained yourself on the second stars and third stars. Now you can feel like you're ready to go to any random other song and be so good at it. So that was my routine on how I warm up usually on OSO. And if you stayed with me until this moment, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.